I have here 200 grams of butter, soft unsalted butter. This has been out in the room at room temperature for a couple of hours just to make sure it's lovely and soft. I'll show you the texture so you can see. So it's room temperature and soft. So there's 200 grams there of butter. We need to have double the amount of icing sugar to butter. So we have 400 grams of icing sugar, and we also use some vanilla extract, and we need a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. So I'm going to just quickly measure out my vanilla extract. This is a half teaspoon size, so obviously I need 3. 1, 2, 3. I always measure into a little bowl of some sort or a cup, because if I get a bit heavy-handed we could end up with half a bottle or so of vanilla extract into our buttercream, and then obviously we'd have to start again. So now I'm just going to give this a beat to soften the butter up just a little bit extra to the room temperature that it was. So I'll show you briefly what it's like. It's soft as soft. It does make a huge difference, and when we're adding the icing sugar, it will make life a lot easier. The next thing to do is to add some icing sugar, which has to be sifted, and I'll do this a little bit at a time. So I'll do a spoonful. Make sure, make that out of the way. Make sure that it's all sifted beautifully. You can obviously use a spoon to help you get it through the sieve itself. It's a lot quicker, and it'll help you to get all the lumps out. So that's the first one. I often will use a fork to start it off with before we add the next one. It just takes a little while, but it's well worth it, because we just do not want our kitchen covered in a billowing cloud of icing sugar. There'll be an awful lot to clear up. So I'm going to keep adding that, and when I've added all the icing sugar, I'll show you the next stage. I've added the vanilla extract, and now we're going to start to mix this up. I'm putting on a very slow speed. This is on a number 1, and my mixer has 5 settings. So we'll start off very, very slowly, incorporating the icing sugar, the vanilla extract and the butter together. So I'm just going to stop this for a moment and show you it's all coming together very nicely. It's creaming well, and it's going a lighter colour. I'm going to put this mixer on a higher speed and keep mixing. I've mixed this up with my food mixer now, and it's really nice and creamy. You can see the consistency. I just need to take the rest of the buttercream off of my blades, and then we're ready to put it into the cake.